This is the Fujitsu or O General mini split air conditioner, which is displaying a light blinking error. Let me show you. Now, the unit has started displaying an error code. We will count the blinks to identify the error. First, we will count the operation light blinks. 1, 2, 3. So the operation light blinks 3 times. Next, we will count the timer blinks. 1, 2. So as you can see, the operation light blinks 3 times and the timer light blinks 2 times. So viewers, the operation light blinking 3 times and the timer light blinking 2 times indicate an outdoor unit fault. You can see the PCB, and here is the brown wire along with the white connector. This is the discharge pipe coil sensor. This sensor is faulty, which is why the error is being displayed. Now I will remove the circuit and show you the compressor. As you can see, I have removed the circuit, and here is the discharge pipe with the sensor attached. If this sensor is open-circuited or short-circuited, the system will display the 3+2 blinking error. Another reason for this error could be that the sensor clip, which attaches it to the pipe, has come off or fallen. If that happens, the system will still show this error. Now, let me explain how to fix this issue. To repair it, you must know the exact resistance value of this sensor. Since it has shorted, you need to compare it with the original value. If replacing the sensor does not clear the error from the unit, that means the outdoor PCB also has an issue. In that case, you need to check and repair the PCB, and once it's fixed, the error will disappear from the unit. Additionally, you can also determine this error by checking the outdoor PCB. The LED blinking pattern on the PCB can help you confirm that the fault is in the discharge pipe coil sensor. This blinking will be on for 0.1 second and off for 0.1 second. In the outdoor unit, 3 thermistors are installed, and all 3 will exhibit the same blinking. However, in the indoor unit, a different error will be shown for each thermistor. Click on the left or right thumbnail to watch our next videos, and subscribe. Thank you.